Hi, Guapa Love. We're here at the waterfalls. It's pretty here. Wow. Hi, Guapa Love.
Hi there.
Aray ko, I'll make a video of you. Guaps, say something.
Pretty warm out for only 75 degrees out. A lot of humidity down here, so it makes it feel much hotter. But at least it's not raining like yesterday. So we're here enjoying the falls, hiking trails, and some nice amenities here. And watching the kids run, jump, and play off the falls. So looks like they're having fun.
Yeah.
Right?
That's all we care about. Oh, dude, that was perfect. Hey, there's a woman up there.
Pretty. Pretty waterfalls. Are you gonna jump, Guap? Yeah, the water is not high too. Low. Yeah. Alright. Let's say bye-bye, Guaps. Bye-bye, everybody. And thanks for taking me here
Enjoy
for my
the
birthday.
trails. See you soon.
See you soon.